This is Ben with Pro Performance Roofing. I'm on the rear slope. This is 204 Desert Tree Court, Cary, North Carolina, for Mr. Zhenglin for his claim. This is a repairability test for Allstate. So we're going to be repairing this shingle. So this is the one that's compromised. This shingle starts right here and it ends right here. So I'm going to be, there's essentially all the tar strips are not sealed on this roof, but I'll have to take this shingle out and attempt to repair it and not have any of these crease. So and remember, this shingle is not compromised, so that will be reused for the repair. Now, can you get a look at this real quick? See how this nail pulled through? Right here, like that. If that happens on the shingles we're reusing, that shingle would then need to be replaced as well. Because then you would have to put the nail either to the left or the right of the shingle you're reusing. If there's not a 6-inch offset, then technically it's improper installation, because I can't put it where the existing nail hole was. Take this one out. Go ahead and throw that one out. Come in. Shingle. Let me take this nail out. Now, that's in place. Let me grab the nails. So in order to properly nail it, I need to be able to come in without hitting the shingle. So there's that one. You can hear the granules flying. Okay. Try these up here. So you see that? Like where the nail pulled through. So I'm gonna have to put one like here or here. Technically it's supposed to be dead center with this, unless they want us to just keep replacing shingles as we go. Alright, make sure not to fall. All right, now back up a little bit. Although it may not be distinct, just very minor, but that will get worse over time. So please review this video and determine if you believe the shingle is repairable. It's subtle, but there is some creasing that may continue to occur with the repair. We'll put some caulking here, but once the granules come off, just like this hail impact, or some of the hail that's here. Apparently hail was ruled out, but that can allow the shingle to dry rot over time and then allow it to fall away. So that's it for the repair attempt. We're going to send it off to you guys at Allstate and allow you to review it and go from there. Thank you.